Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Claude to Figma. First, make sure you have access to Claude with tools enabled, a Figma account, and an MCP-compatible client such as Claude Desktop or any supported integration app. Now open Figma and go to your account settings. Next, navigate to Security and then open Personal Access Tokens. Here, click on Generate New Token, give it a name, and copy the token carefully because you will need it for the connection. This token allows Claude to access your Figma files securely. After that, you need an MCP server to bridge Claude and Figma. Install a node.js-based MCP server on your system. Now, open the configuration file of the MCP server and add your Figma API key inside it. For example, you will place your token in the API key field so the server can authenticate with Figma. Next, launch your Claude Desktop or supported client. Then go to the Tools or Integrations section and add a new MCP connection. Here, enter the MCP server endpoint so Claude can communicate with Figma through the bridge. Once connected, test the setup by asking Claude something like "Open my Figma file and analyze the UI layout." If everything is working correctly, Claude will be able to read your design, understand components, and describe the structure of your interface. Finally, you can now use Claude to review layouts, suggest improvements, and analyze design systems directly from Figma. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.